Oh. Uh-oh, she's coming back at me. Whoa, a princess riding a bicycle. And her sister princess watching and helping. That's so cute. Oh. Wonderful. It's a little bit smooth right there. Not very many rocks. There goes sister. Sister, don't go too far. Alright, stop there. Alright, can you turn around and come back, Avery? Okay, try. Try to come back, okay? Alright, can sister help you move the bike around? That's perfect. Oh, you princesses are so good. You're helpful. Whoa! Thank you for the hug. And are you playing in the dirt? No, no. You can't play in the dirt as a princess. You'll get your dress. What? Really? That's too little for you. That's too little for you, Princess Aiva. It is. Look. Look. You crazy girl. Avery, please get out of the dirt. Avery, when you're wearing that beautiful dress, you cannot play in the dirt. I'm sorry. Alright, so girls, Mama Chelsea would very much like you to have a good photo.